Welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. Today we're going to be stuffing some mushrooms. Here's the mushrooms. I'm going to put it on fast forward so you skip all these mushroom stuffing. We're going to use ground sausage, and I'll be browning those in a minute. Let's get cooking. Right tool for the right job. If you can know the right tool for this, leave a comment in the comment below. Let me know the right tool for this job. Just storing cream cheese into a pan. There. Tried my best. I know it's not perfect. Gordon Ramsay's going to call me a donut, but I did my best, so there it is. Now we're going to take the mushrooms and we're going to knock the stems off of these things. We're going to start them off in this bowl so we can wash them. And take the stems off, put the stems in the discard bowl. Let's get these things washed real quick, shall we? Well, while I do this, you click on the ads in this video. Just saying. Let's fast forward this so I have all these done. Fast forward in 3, 2, 1. Now, in order to wash one of these off, you just take a paper towel like this, make sure it's damp, and just give it a little polish. That's how I do it. There it is. Alright, I cleaned the first batch. Fixing to clean the second batch, and then we'll start taking the stems off. There we go. Let me show you how I take the stems off these things. Now you can use portobello mushrooms, which are a lot larger, or you can use baby bellas, which are a lot smaller than these. I used whole white mushrooms. That way, it's just the right size. That's simple, just like that. When you finish these up, I already got the second batch in the washing bin, and then I'm going to take the stems and put them in the discard bowl. Alright, as you can see, I got the second batch done. We're going to go ahead and get these stems taken off and put into here and get rid of that bowl. Let me fast forward through this so you don't have to just watch me do all these. While I'm doing that, go ahead and click the ad or leave a comment down below. You let me know how you take the stems off these. If you use portobellos or if you use babies, let me know in the comments. Okay, 2 whole batches of unstemmed mushrooms. Got them. See? Got the holes out. All in here. Next time I think I'm going to use portobello mushrooms. They're a lot bigger bowl, and it won't take so long. Anyways, let's get these things stuffed. Alright, so I got my parchment lined baking sheet. So this is what we're going to use to bake with. The parchment sheet can be baked. So can the baking pan. So we're going to stick all these mushrooms right here. We're going to stuff them right on the pan. I got my mixture, sausage and my cream cheese. You let me know in the comments what you use to stuff your mushrooms. What kind of cheeses, what kind of meats. You can substitute any meat with stuffing mushrooms. You can go full Italian, anything you want. Just go ahead and leave a comment, talk to me, let me know what you use in your stuffing. I'm just going to go ahead and show you a basic stuffing with a sausage, and then from there we'll get a little crazy. We'll even have another stuffed mushroom video in the future with portobello mushrooms. See, we got way too many of these mushrooms. Portobellos are a lot bigger, and there's not as much that you need to do with them, and be a lot more stuffing. I'll even change the stuffing in my portobello video. See, because now we got to get all these close together, and that's just weird. Anyways, while I do this, I'm going to fast forward the video real quick, and like I said, go ahead and hit the ads wherever they are while I do this. And fast forwarding the video in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're back. And I got them all on the pan. They all fit finally. Got them on this formation. Time to stuff them. Now, because they're so small, I'm going to use a little tiny little spoon. Actually, I'm going to use the back of the spoon because that's basically what will fit in the little thing is I stuff them. This might take a little while too. So, again, time for a commercial interruption. Hit the ads or whatever. I'm going to fast forward through this. In 3, 2, 1, fast forward. You're still here. You're still here. Okay, fast forward. Now, spoon thing, not working. We're going to go ahead and use the gloves. We're going to get messy. We're going to get into this. Opa, opa. All right, let's just fast forward through that. All right, and fast forward. All right, there it goes. Now the gloves were fun, and I got them all stuffed, and now we're going to sprinkle some cheese all on top of them. There we go, just sprinkle some cheese. It can get messy a little bit. We're just going to get a little messy. Little messy. And that's okay. All right. Now they're ready to bake. 15 minutes in the oven, and we're eating. Alright, time for the taste test. You smell that sausage. Oh, it just smells so good. What you want to do is you want to grab this cheese right here, because it didn't go on the top. So you want to grab some of the cheese right there, and you take your pick. I want this one. There it goes, bottoms up. That's right. Welcome to the food layer. Oh, did you want a plate? There you go. Again, leave a comment down below. Let me know how many you want. See you later. Thanks for coming to my kitchen, the food layer. Please check out the next video, and I'll see you there.